What it is, YouTube? It's your boy Hawk signing in once again. Up early morning. Well, it ain't too early. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm headed to the gym to work out. I'm actually heading to another gym to work out. Working out one of my homeboys today. He invited me down to come down to his gym and work out. Actually, today is my leg day, but I'm working whatever he working. I'm taking the client seat. I'm not leading the workout no kind of way. I'm doing what he doing. Just to feel good, just to change the scenery, change the environment. You know, just let him lead the way. So I'm finna enjoy this, have a good time. We're gonna probably catch up, do some talking, do a recording. We're gonna just show y'all the workout. So I hope y'all enjoy. Here we go.
Hey,
what's up, man?
What's up, man? On behalf of the Hub Fitness and Nutrition, we would like to thank you for coming and gracing us with your
Oh man, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to be invited, man. It is a pleasure. Shit. Oh, okay then. Appreciate that, homie. We definitely finna get a good workout in after this. Grace me with a gift and an invite. Yeah. Oh, this is fun. What you hitting today? What we hitting today?
That's our command you. Push pull or arms or
Whatever you want to do. I ain't gonna tell you what day it is for me, but no, we're gonna do whatever you want to do. Man, we decided to work on arms. Is still intense. We work legs or chest or shoulders and like that. I like working arms when I'm well. And plus, we catching up. We ain't seen each other in a while. We still making an intense workout and talk, catch up, and do what we do. Man, it feels so good to just come in and let somebody else lead the workout. I just do whatever he tells me to do. This is awesome, man. Then the vibe in here is straight too. Man, cuz ain't playing with the arm today. We doing all kind of talking and doing everything else. Cuz Kevin throwing that heavy weight on him. He ain't playing, but like I said, see that sweat. It's intense. I just love the environment though. I ain't worried about nothing but the workout. Nothing but the workout. Shout out to Hood. Shout out to Hood. Like to having your boy out here. You talking about the groceries, right? Got the test coffee on building up.
Oh, Ava Dad.
Yeah, I mean, hey, we ain't doing that no more. Yes, sir. I'll do it right there. Man, I enjoyed the workout, man. I enjoyed the invite. Coming out, new environment, and worry about nothing but the workout. I enjoyed it, man. I enjoyed it. You got a nice gym, man. And I will be back. I promise you I'll be back down here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get these workouts together.
Hey, we hit leg next time.
Yes, sir.
Bet. All right, so it's later in the day. I've been home, did all my meal prepping. Did it for the whole week. Got all my chicken done, got all my beef done. Brought food to the gym, got all my little snacks, got everything done. I actually came to the gym to do some cardio. Did 500 calories of steady state cardio. Watched me a movie on Netflix while I did that. And yeah, I get a lot of questions like when people first starting their fitness journey. What should I start out with? Should I just do cardio for a while, then do the weights? Or should I do weights and then not focus on cardio? Both of them. Just a simple answer, do both. Just do both. But main part is keep that diet on point. Get your diet on point. Stay on track with your diet. You know, and starting out, you probably don't have to be as disciplined as someone who's been doing it a while. But, you know, start making healthy decisions. Start tracking your food. MyFitnessPal is a good app to use. Use that app. Track everything that you eat. Don't think it's no free foods out there. Like some people are like, yeah, I cook my chicken in olive oil. I put some olive oil in the skillet, and then olive oil is a healthy fat. I mean, it's good. It's a fat, but it's still fat. So you gotta count it. Everything that goes in your mouth, everything that puts in your food, you put in your food, you need to count it. So at the end of the day, you'll see exactly how many calories you're taking in. But yeah, that's enough talking, man. I done did this cardio. I'm finna go home. Actually come down here to get my computer too, so I can actually edit this video right here. So go home, check on Ava. I'm gonna give y'all a little update on Ava too. So yeah, I'm gonna get home and probably have me one more meal, protein shake or something like that, and I'll see y'all there. Last meal of the day. What are you doing? What you put that in my pocket for? What you doing? Yeah, because it's in my pocket. Get it out there. Get it. Why you putting weighing food is not hard. Put that on the scale. It's gonna register, cut it on. It's gonna register at 0. The glare. 0. I think I'm gonna get 100 grams. I'll go over. 104. Want to know what GAL stand for? Good as fuck. Honestly, I promise you that's what it stands for. Peach cobbler flavor. Come on. Watch, she finna run now. Watch this. What? Come here. Oh, scared. Let me see it. Let it go. I got it. Meow. Meow. Okay. Meow. You tell me if it's good. Is it yummy?
Mama.
Yummy?
Yum.
Want some more? Say yummy. Do the yummy. Whoa. Whoa, man. You almost dropped it. Good. So, alright, we signing out. We'll see him at the next video. Hawk signing out.